Assalamu alaikum, dear brothers. I hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Now I will pronounce 6 consonant sounds. So let's start. P. Its IP sounds like, for example, pen, paper, pencil, popular, population, power, etc. Then B. Its IPA sound likes, for example, boy, bugardus, brother, bat, ball, etc. Then T. Its IPA sound likes, for example, time, temporary, table, toy, ten, tense, etc. Then D. Its IP sound likes dot, dot. For example, day, destination, dark, disturb, etc. Then K. Its IP sound likes k, k. For example, can, cold, color, capacity, capability, etc. Then G. Its IP sound like, for example, game, girl, go, green, gossiping, etc. Now we will make sentence with simple present tense with 5 structures. So let's start. I drink water. I don't drink water. Do I drink water? Don't I drink water? Why do I drink water? Then they play football. They don't play football. Do they play football? Don't they play football? Why do they play football? Then I love my father. I don't love my father. Do I love my father? Don't I love my father? Why do I love my father? Then he goes to school. He does not go to school. Does he go to school? Doesn't he go to school? Then how does he go to school? Then our next content is daily routine. I wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning every day. Then I freshen up and go to the mosque to perform salah. After finishing my prayer, I recite Holy Quran for some time. Then I walk in the park. I take my breakfast after returning home. Then start my study. At 10 o'clock, I get ready and go to school. I usually take a rickshaw to go to school. In the afternoon, after finishing that class, I spend some time with the student. Then I help my parents at home. In the evening, I sit to study after prayer. I complete my homework regularly. I normally go to bed at 10 p.m. Then I will discuss self-making content. So let's start. I study Department of Social Work, University of Rajshahi, third year, first semester. My going to university basically depends on having and not having classes. The class routine is announced in the messenger group the day before. I usually go to the university by bicycle. Whenever we have free time between classes, we go to seminars and read or hang out at sea shops. Thus, when the class is over, I come back to the room. Dear brothers and sisters, dear brothers, that's all for the moments. See you soon. Thank you very much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum.